Russian central bank wants to let corporations buy foreign stablecoins. Russia. Stablecoins. USDC, USDT restrictions to apply. Bank also wants to lower threshold for DFA market access. Author. Tim Alper. Author. Tim Alper. About author. Tim Alper is a British journalist and features writer who has worked at cryptonews.com since 2018. He has written for media outlets such as the BBC, The Guardian, and Chosun Ilbo. He has also worked. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 3 hours ago. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. The Russian central bank has unveiled plans to allow domestic corporations to buy foreign stablecoins, but looks set to bar them from buying USDT and USD coin, USDC. Per an official central bank notice and a report from the Russian media outlet RBC, the bank has put its proposal up for public discussion. It will invite comments on the plan until June 15th. Russian stablecoins plan. According to the draft proposal, the bank wants to let Russian legal entities that do not meet the criteria of qualified investors to acquire foreign digital rights. The bank said that trading in these assets should be allowed without any restrictions. RBC wrote, some cryptocurrencies, in particular stablecoins, may fall under the bank's definition of foreign digital rights. However, the same media outlet pointed out that the rule change would likely not open the door for Russian firms who wish to trade coins like USDT and USDC. In mid-May, the bank updated its requirements for overseas assets allowed to circulate on the Russian market. The new requirements expressly outlaw assets that are underpinned by securities issued by unfriendly issuers. They do, however, make an exception for firms who use USDT and USDC as a payment tool in cross-border trade deals. U.S. Treasury bill reserves. A problem for Russia. Tether's reserves are reportedly mainly comprised of cash, cash equivalents, short-term deposits, and U.S. Treasury bills. Circle, the USDC operator, also holds much of its reserves in the form of short-dated treasuries held in regulated, sanctions-compliant domestic banks. However, the proposed rule change would open the door for Russian firms to do stablecoin-powered business with BRICS nations and other Moscow allies. Following the most recent BRICS summit, held in Kazan, Russia in October 2024, a number of tech players in India and elsewhere announced stablecoin plans for the bloc. BRICS players have also floated the idea of creating a gold-backed stablecoin that would do away with the need for dollar-denominated trade. Beijing and Hong Kong have also talked up the idea of adopting stablecoins that do not make use of USD-related assets. Moscow, meanwhile, has been exploring its own stablecoin options, as well as digitized securities. DFA's rule change imminent. The size of Russia's digital financial assets, DFAs, market is also continuing to increase. The bank's latest plans also proposed lowering the threshold for market entry. At present, qualified investors can only spend a maximum of 600,000 rubles, $7,570, per year on DFAs. But the bank wants to almost double this limit. The bank proposes allowing citizens to buy a maximum of 1 million rubles, $12,618, worth of DFAs per year. The document stipulates that all Russian legal entities will be able to acquire DFAs without any restrictions, regardless of whether or not they have qualified investor status. The bank noted that this will allow firms to use DFAs more actively. The regulator suggested this move could help firms solve commercial issues. If the proposal does not receive major objections, the bank could turn its proposal into binding guidelines for the domestic banking sector. These could come into force before the end of the month, the central bank explained. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto Zarkatana unsheathes to reshape DeFi. Incubated by GSR and Polygon Labs. Google's AI predicts the price of XRP, Pepe, and Solana by end of 2025. China's DeepSeek predicts the price of XRP, Pepe, and Cardano by end of 2025. Bitcoin news. Why is crypto down today? May 30th, 2025. 5 days ago. By Seed Fatal Payzik. Price analysis. Is XRP about to explode? Ripple's SEC letter could change everything. 6 days ago. By Harvey Hunter. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Ripple's hidden road. Just changed the game, bulls now $10. 5 days ago. By Simon Chandler. Best crypto to buy now in June 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. Best new crypto coins to invest in 2025. Top new cryptocurrencies. May 6, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Full presale list. March 3, 2025. By Alan Draper. 11 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in June 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. What is the next big crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.